Hello guys, so may correction ako doon So kaya pala kanina sabi ko parang may mali sa ginagawa ko. Ayun, no. So dito sa part na 'to, ayan. Hindi pala ito yung integral, no. Kasi ano 'yan? Uh, i-rewrite ko This is integral ng y raised to negative 6 dy, and that is equal to integral ng c1 dx. Okay? So integral nito pala is y raised to negative 5 over negative 5. Sorry guys. And that is equal to C1x. Okay? Plus, sorry. Plus C2. Okay, so therefore, y raised to negative 5 is equal to negative 5C1x plus negative 5C2, or that is, well, alisin na natin yung mga negative 5 na yan. That is still C1x plus C2. And that is equal to y raised to negative 5. Okay? So, mali to guys na ginagawa natin dito kanina. I'm so sorry. Okay? So, ang y natin is just equal sa dito, C1 times x plus C2 raised to negative 1 over 5. And that is our final solution. Okay? Thanks. Bye.